Question: in which Indian state was the initial version of the Model Code of Conduct (MCC) first drafted and implemented in 1960? A. Tamil Nadu, B. West Bengal, C. Kerala, D. Uttar Pradesh. The right answer will be C. Kerala. Question: in which year did the United Nations General Assembly (UNGA) officially declare June 21st as the International Day of Yoga? A. 2014, B. 2015, C. 2016, D. 2017. The right answer will be A. 2014. Question: with reference to the Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism (CBAM) recently in the news, which of the following organizations or regions has implemented this policy? A. World Trade Organization (WTO), B. European Union (EU), C. G20 nations, D. Association of Southeast Asian Nations ASEAN. The right answer will be with reference to the Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism CBAM recently in the news. The right answer will be B. European Union EU. B. Question: with reference to the life and movement of Birsa Munda as depicted in the historical records, consider the following statements. First, the term Dikus was used by Birsa Munda to describe the indigenous tribal brothers and sisters whom joined him in the struggle for Munda Raj. False. Second, Birsa Munda propounded the Birasat religion, which emphasized no moral reform and sought to distance the tribal community from superstitions and missionary influence. True. Which of the statements given above is or incorrect? A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. Both 1 and 2, D. None of the above. The right answer will be A. Only 1. Question: with reference to the geography and administrative boundaries of Bihar, consider the following statements. A. The state of Bihar is bounded by the international border with Nepal to the north and the Indian state of Odisha to the south. False. B. The Kosi River, a major tributary of the Ganga known for frequent shifting of its course, is traditionally referred to as the Sorrow of Bihar. True. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. Both 1 and 2, D. None of the above. The right answer will be B. Only 2. Question: the Prajna system recently received by the Union Ministry of Home Affairs was primarily developed by which of the following organizations? A. Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), B. Center for Development of Advanced Computing (CDAC), C. Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO), D. National Informatics Center (NIC). The right answer will be C. Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO). Question: The Santiago volcano, which recently experienced an eruption, is geographically located in which of the following countries? A. Mexico, B. Guatemala, C. El Salvador, D. Costa Rica. The right answer will be B. Guatemala.